Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make serious bucks with less than $100 and scale your business, as well as an update onto my business and how it's doing. Key the intro. Yeah! As you saw in the last video up there, I had a little box of the straws that I'm selling, the little portable reusable straws, and guess what? They are all gone. So now we got a new bag. So we got to open this up and check out these straws right here. So the thing with these ones is they're a newer batch. They're a different type. So these are better quality. I'm going to call them the 2.0 of the straws. And with these ones, the reason I chose these was because the other ones weren't too good quality. I didn't really like them that much. Some of them were busted, some of them were broken, and it just wasn't working out, and it wasn't a reliable wholesaler to get from. So with that being said, we got our new wholesaler, so let's go ahead and check these out. Always put away from you. It's a key fact. Better know that. Alright, it's on tight, but
2 hours later.
Here are the straws. So with this, I have 50 straws in here, and these 50 straws costed me 200 bucks. Now I know what you're saying. You're saying, hey, but you said it's only $100. Well, no, $100 is to scale. So I started out with 90 bucks with these things, and it got me 30 straws. Now I'm scaling up, and I got 50 of these, and it cost me $200. Now the reason that it costed more was because these are way better straws, but let's just check them out. I'm praying. This is a black one right here. Came out good. Moment of truth. I'm scared. Okay. So this came out nice. I am confused though. Like, definitely came out better quality. However, I ordered this part right here is supposed to be rainbowy. That's how it showed in the picture, and this isn't it. Let's check out some others. Maybe they gave me this as a sample. Silver as well. I mean, they're coming out good. They're not bad. The problem is though, so I got the rainbow ones, and these aren't what I ordered. Hey guys, real quick, stay with me for about 40 seconds. I want to announce my first sponsorship. It's this book called Tfue right here. I really want to recommend this to you guys. This book is a bunch of stories of people failing in the most hilarious ways, and I really want to recommend it to you. Go on Amazon and search up Tfue, buy it now. And also, not only are you getting a great book like this one right here, but also some of the proceeds are going to help East Africa and help the impoverished. So I really want to recommend this to you guys, and so go check this out on Amazon right now. Get it. Go, 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 go. What are you doing?
Hi, Jason.
Hey, alright, so I got the straws and I looked at them, and there is an issue.
Okay.
The straws came out good quality. They came out good quality. However, the person, which I do have contact information of, and stuff, they sent me the regular straws. They didn't send me the one with the colorful rainbowy type of straw.
Okay, they send you the cheaper ones and charge you the more money.
Exactly.
Is the quality good?
The quality is good.
Okay, that's not the, okay, then they owe you the difference between the multicolored and a plain straw. No, you need to contact them. No, nobody else. You got to contact the seller.
Do I settle that, or do I instead do I say, can I return them and you send me the other ones?
No, no, you can't return them. It'll cost you too much money to return them.
Okay.
No, you keep those and tell them you want the other straws you'll say I'll keep these 50 straws, but I want 50 straws with the multicolor, and I want to pay the regular price of the other straws.
Okay, so after talking with my grandpa, I messaged the person back, and here is what they said. Basically, they'll check it, and then they said that there's something wrong with the shipping and got mixed up. And then I was talking to them saying how I purchased a bunch of straws. This is how much essentially the difference was, and then they were like 40 is okay, and I wanted 50. 50 was too much. They said that it really is 30 and they're giving 40 extra, and so blah 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 blah. Got them. Anyways, now, well, I have a bunch of extra straws coming in, but the rainbow ones, the ones I originally wanted. However, now I'm out an extra $200 for when I didn't want that much. I wanted to just buy one extra order. Instead, now I ended up having to buy two, but I got it at a little discount, $50, which is not much, but it was the difference. The only reason I went through this and I actually did that was because I'm really confident that I'm going to sell all of them into a piece of cake. So if you need one, I have like 100 and something in my little room, so go ahead and buy them, you know, right now, buy them. Just buy it, you know. Whenever you're dealing with the wholesaler, make sure they add a business card or that they give you your phone number, so that way you guys can talk to each other and you always have them, because with dealing with a lot of these international wholesalers, they tend to go black. You can never find them. Or you go on the website, go to your link to order, to drop ship, and they're not there. So that being said, that's that case. I did sell to all the others, which is good, and on top of that, I just got approved this last week on Snapchat ads and Facebook ads, so I'll be on there, and Facebook has Instagram as well if you're wondering, so that's good. Snapchat ads was a struggle. Both of them were a struggle. So if you're doing this at my age, here's my recommendation. When you do it, use your mom's or your dad's Facebook account, because they're probably active on it. I'm not, so I look like a robot, and it'll make Facebook ads so much easier, and you'll get accepted so much quicker versus having, when I tried to do it, they wanted me to verify my place of living, they wanted me to verify my driver's license or whatever, and obviously I was underage. So that's the way to do that and get around it if you're like me and you're watching this video. Snapchat ads is a whole nother dilemma. They are super strict on what they do. Their policies make no sense. I had a little carrot to swipe up and they denied the ad because of that. So with that, you have to be very careful on Snapchat ads. You have to be very basic as you can be. And you cannot make any types of advertising like we are the best or whatever. You can't do that. They'll deny you every single time. So that's with the ads. That's how you do those. Now, about scaling your business. This is how to do it. The trick to scaling your business is you must start off small, test out the product, get a little batch, check it out with your friends. It doesn't matter if you love the product. Obviously, I'm selling straws. Like, okay, it's kind of girly, but it's working. The product is working. Test out the product, and then you go and you try to start selling, and once you sell them all, then you scale up. So in that case, you can go ahead and start, and you can get something, and you can buy, I don't know, 100 of them for cheap, right? Or I guess when you're scaling, you can go and buy 10 of them for cheap, 10 things for cheap, right? And let's say you bought them and it came out to 20 bucks, and you sell them for $5 each, making it 50 bucks. Then you get the 50, and you don't use that money. You put it right back into it and reinvest it, rescale it up. Guys, I just made 300 bucks in like less than a week on these things. Okay, which is not, obviously it's not like enough to make a living off of, but it's 300 bucks that I did nothing and I made it. All I did was have a website and talk to people, word of mouth, and I sold them all. They're all gone, and I just took that $300 and I scaled it straight in to get more of these. And then I put 200 into the straws, and then also the other 100 is going into my ads. So you have to keep scaling until you're satisfied with your price, and until you're satisfied with how many sales you're making and how much money you're making, and then you can start taking pensions away for profit for your own personal good. It takes time. It takes time to profit. Luckily, with this stuff, the way I'm doing it, it's not going to take forever. It's not like buying a franchise. But that's how you got to do it. So with that being said, this is how you scale your business. This was an update on my business and how it's going. And I will soon show you guys my profits of what I'm getting when I'm running the Snapchat and Instagram ads and Facebook ads.
Don't forget, buy Tfue. Best book ever. You're gonna love it.